The easiest, most important monitoring tool every website or application should have in order to prevent losing his customers or users. I'm gonna show you it in this video right now, and also I'm gonna show you slightly more advanced tool that is paid but still low cost that could be used for more advanced and reliable monitoring of your application. I'm going to share with you a step-by-step instruction about how to set up and use this tool. So let's dive into it. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the most important information about cloud deployment, software development, cryptocurrency, and the technology in general. Okay, so before diving into any monitoring system, let's just clarify what monitoring is. So basically, monitoring is a method of observing, reviewing, and managing the availability of the application or platform. So to take it simple, monitoring is just a tool that automatically observes our website or application to see if it's working or not 24/7. This is kind of similar like we checking our website manually, but we usually checking it a few times a day, and monitoring system checks it automatically every minute. So if our website or application is down or not working, we're gonna be notified immediately. And well, usually when we manually observe our application, we might not observing it for a few hours and it might not be working, so we might be losing a lot of customers. So the monitoring tools we're going to review today are going to be health check tools that help you save your money and provide great impressions for your customers. So let's see how you can use them. So the first tool I wanted to show you is the Uptime Robot tool. So this is the uptime check tool for monitoring our application or website that has a free plan, and you can just register for free or log in and quickly set up your application monitoring. And how we're basically doing it, we're just clicking add a new monitor here, and we can just choose different kind of monitor tool we want. In our case, it's going to be the HTTP. We can call it like the website or whatever, like web application or whatever you want to call it. Then you can enter IP address or the URL. I'm going to ahead and enter URL of my website. And you can check the monitoring interval, like whether you want to check every 1 minute, every 5 minutes, or every amount of time you prefer. Then you can figure out the monitoring timeouts. Like it means how many seconds the tool should wait until it treats your request as failed, right? And yeah, and all of these features are checked by default. Then you can set up the email, which is going to be sending you alerts to. They will notify you immediately if your application is not working. So just check this checkbox to get the notification about alerts to your email. You can modify email and specify whatever you prefer, and just click create monitor. So perfect, now you have the monitor, and this tool will start making requests to your website or your web application every minute, and whenever some request will fail, it will send you an email. Of course, it might be not as flexible because you might want to receive any other kind of notification. You can download their app from the App Store so you can get the app notification, but still it might not be sufficient. You maybe want to have the Slack notification, any kind of a Telegram notification or whatever you want. And if you want this notification, you should consider the paid version of the application, yeah, which starting from like 15, they have a discount $7 a month. You can have the voice calls or SMS or whatever you want. At the beginning, the free version is enough for you to... So this tool is very useful and practical because it takes just a few clicks to set up, and you have a general control of your application. So at least you can know when something bad happens, so you can take some action if your website application is crashed or whatever. But if you want more advanced way to understand how your website or application behaves in different places in the world, in different regions, or you want to have more frequent health checks like every 5 seconds or every 30 seconds, or you want to have the flexibility in the way you get notified about the application crashes like into Slack or any other platform, you can use a paid version of the Uptime Robot over here, which is usually costing $15 a month. Or you can use another cost-effective tool, which is the Google Cloud Platform. It has the Uptime Check service. You can create these Uptime Checks really simple. I just show you right now, but the costing difference is big. Like as far as $15, it's really not a huge price. Uptime Checks will bill you per amount of health checks made. So if you go to the pricing, they're gonna bill you 30 cents per 1,000 executions. So if you have one check that runs every minute for 1 month, you will pay $2.50, and this is really much cheaper than running this, but it depends on your specific need. You can calculate if it's more cost effective for you to use this tool or this. But as far as using Google Cloud, like Google Cloud is gonna be more developer friendly, and it will support much more ways to integrate your website checks. So to create the website checks on Google Cloud, you just click create uptime check. Then you can name it like I'm naming test because I already have the website one. You're just using protocol, HTTP, HTTPS, whatever you prefer. You can specify the URL, the path I want to specify, check frequency, let's say 1 minute. We have everything here, then click next. We have timeout for 10, we can set 30 or whatever we prefer. We have the logs of failures. And then we can use the notification channel, and we can actually, the notification channel is the way we get notified about potential crashes or alerts about our website or application. So we can click manage notification channels, and here we're gonna create our notification channel. So here you can just choose whatever channel you want. You can use Slack, webhook. You can just use the simple webhook, implementing your own webhook. You can use an SMS, you can use an email, or some Google Cloud Platform pops up technology that will allow you to create your own custom notifications. And also, when you're adjusting these uptime checks, you can also specify the regions you want to make your request from. So if you check global, it's gonna make the global check from all the regions, but you can specify maybe some specific regions you want. So the idea is that this tool will make the check from every region, so you make sure that your application or website will work in Europe, United States, South America, and Asia. And you just click create, or you can click test, and you will find if it works or not. Then click create and see how it works. So these were two essential tools that can really be a game changer for most of the website owners or application owners, and show you some hidden details about your application availability and behavior that you might not even know. So if you're interested in learning more about cloud infrastructure, cloud monitoring, just add a comment to the comment section below with the topic you're interested in. Also, hit the like button to this video if you like it, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any kind of cloud infrastructure, software development, technology, or cryptocurrency video. Thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in one of my next videos. Bye bye.